Want to add a fun poll right next to your Instagram caption? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly what to tap, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to post from. From your home feed, tap the plus button at the bottom center to start creating a new post. Choose the photo or video you want to post, then hit next in the top right corner. If you want, quickly apply a filter or adjust your media. When you're ready, tap next again. Now you're on the caption screen, the place where your caption and poll will live together. Type your caption in the text box like you normally would, add your message, hashtags, and mentions. Next, look for the option that lets you add interactive elements. On many layouts, this appears as a poll or add poll button below the caption area. Tap that poll button. A small poll editor pops up where you can type your question at the top. Now fill in your answer options, like yes and no, or any two short choices you want people to vote on. Double check that your caption reads the way you want and that your poll question and answers make sense together. When everything looks good, tap share. Your caption and poll now appear together in your post for your followers to vote on.